Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. I'm a little early with my Christmas attire, but you guys, the days are flowing into each other as well as the months. And so I just decided I was feeling a little festive, so I decided to put on my holiday sweater. But I got you guys today here to show you or give you a peek into the Burdastyle magazine of November 2020. And I just got it in today, so I'm just going to flip through and just give you my first impression. As you know, Burda is celebrating 70 years. I can show you guys what was last month. This was last month's issue. I wasn't a fan and hence I didn't make a video because there wasn't anything in there that I really liked. This is this month, so let's just get into it. Fall is always a great season. So as always, I skipped the overview. Ooh, I like this pants. This pants right here, it's very cute. I like that it's not touching your, or it's a little higher than your ankles. It is from denim. It has a thick waistband. I like that a lot. And I think that stop stitching on that is very nice as well. I would almost say that this is a nightie, which it isn't, but it definitely look like it. When you see the drawing, it's like, I'm not sure about that. Ooh, I like this. I like this. It seems like it's, what type of jacket? How would I describe this jacket? It seems like it could be, it has a little bit of like a bomber jacket or a, yeah, it has a little bit of a bomber jacket, but it does have like a pleat in the back. So right here in the back it has like a pleat, and I like this, how it looks. I like the aesthetic of it. I like the design. It's nice. It does have a workshop, and I tend to gravitate towards the ones with the workshop. Now this, I am definitely going to add this to my winter fashion mood board. Wow. Look at this. This is really up my street. I love this dress. This is beautiful. Wow, and the detail around the neckline, I just love. And the puff sleeves, you guys, love it. I think I would look really good in this dress. Although, what is funny then at times, so Burda styles their clothes, you know, for the pictures and stuff, and then I see something eye-catching, but it isn't from Burda, and that's this mini skirt right here, the pleather skirt or leather, or maybe it's even a jersey, I'm not sure. It is from Bash. It looks beautiful, but it's not from Burda. That's how I found the skirt from Jadicted as well. I was like, oh, how nice. Not a Burda pattern. The pants is nice in a different color as well. This one is just a polyester stretch, so it could also be a cotton stretch. This pants right here is the same jeans, or the same pants, but then in the jeans fabric a little earlier in the magazine, and here is just the pastel color. I do like the pants on its own though. It looks like it has a really cute fit. And let me summarize. Are there things that I liked in here? Yeah, let me just check the overview and then I'll tell you what I liked in here. So I definitely like the pants that I saw, which was the one in jeans, and then ultimately it came back in a pastel color. I do like that a lot. I did like the bomber jacket type of coat. I like the designer snit. I do like that. So my verdict is I wouldn't purchase it. Although if I do purchase it, I would only purchase it for the designer snit and the bumper jacket, because I really, and the pants. Okay, so there's 3 of them. Well, then it's a steal. Then it's a steal. If it's 3 of them and it's $6.95, it's okay. It's okay. And that's it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye!